Okay, functions. So functions. So generally in Oracle we see single row functions and multi-row functions. So single row functions is nothing but if you run a query on a row, you will get a value on a row. It means a multi-row means you will get on all the rows, you will be getting only one value. But single row means for every row, you will be getting a value. That is called a single row.
It's
Okay.
like it's like मतलब single command for the single output.
Yes. Uh, you will understand. First, I will list out all the single row functions. Then we will go one by one. So in single row functions, we see a number function, character functions, character functions, character function, date functions, date functions, conversion functions, and general functions, general functions, and also analytical functions, analytical, analytical functions. So single row functions. So again, I will list out a number of functions one by one. Then we will see with examples. So power function, square root, power function, square root, mod or remainder function. So that means number function is nothing but, so we are going to write a functions on numeric columns. So that's why that functions are called as number function. Okay. Sine function, absolute function, absolute function, absolute function, seal, floor, trunk, and round. Okay. One by one, we'll see with examples. So first of all, single row function, why I called single row? Why? Because, for example, select star from EMP. Okay. So here, if you see here, how many rows are there here? 14 rows.
14 rows.
14 rows. So what happened is, for example, I am taking select employee name. Okay, employee name, salary from EMP. Salary from. That means you are able to view only 2 columns. Okay. So now simply I am applying power function on this. Okay, but this is not correct. But in order to show you what is a single row function, so just power sal of comma 1. That means in power, first argument is the number and second argument is the power of the number. That means sal power 1 means it will give only sal out. Simply, I'm just modifying
Hmm.
sal
Hmm.
power 1. In order to just say you what is a single row function, then I will. So that means what? For every row, you are getting one value. That's
Hmm.
that is meant. That is meant by a single row function. Okay. Now power function is what? See, now I will go with a dual table.
Hmm.
Power of 5 comma 2. That means what? 5 square.
Hmm.
Okay. So
Hmm.
that means
Hmm.
25.
Hmm. Hmm.
So power of, just it's a mathematical function. Power of
Hmm. Hmm.
25 comma 2. 25 comma 2. That means 25 square or cube you write. How from, okay?
Hmm.
Or else see, my manager asked, please increment salary by 1000 for each people. Each member, please increment salary by 1000. Simply I can write 1000, but by using a power function I will write 10 comma 3. So 10 cube,
Hmm. Hmm.
which is also nothing but I'm adding 1000 only.
Hmm.
Is it?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah. So that is
Hmm.
why 1000 is added to every. So
Hmm.
single row means for every row you are getting one value.
Okay,
Multi,
every row is impacted.
yes, but means what is multi row means? For all the rows you will get only single value. Like for example, sum of all the salaries in a table.
Okay, when we are doing some kind of,
Okay,
that will be a multi-row.
multi row. Yeah.
Got it, got it.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now we'll go with one function. So power function you understood. Square root. Square root means what? It's opposite. Square root of any number. So in square root function we will pass only one argument. Square root of
Hmm.
620 from dual.
Hmm.
So that is by 25.
Yeah, 25.
Square root of 1024 from dual. So what it will be? 32.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. Now for example, simply I am adding on table sal plus. Simply I want to add 25 to the.
Hmm.
Simply I am using square root. Directly I can write 25, but 625. What happened? 25 will be added to my salary.
Okay.
Okay, from dual. Okay. So because our table is employee table, just I am
Hmm.
showing
Hmm.
you on the
Hmm.
multi. So square root. Got it? So just what square root function is doing, that only we need to know. But
Hmm. Hmm.
simply I am applying on a single row table and a table,
Okay,
actual
got
table.
it.
Next coming to mod and reminder. So reminder and mod are same only, but there is a difference that we will identify. So select reminder of 10 comma 3. So what is the remainder of 10 comma 3? 3 is 9. So what will be the remainder? Only 1 will be getting. Is it?
Hmm.
It means remainder of 10 comma 3 is nothing but. So the exact factor is 3 into 3, 9. So we will get in remainder.
Yeah, it
For
is
ex
like, it is not like exact value is not coming.
Remainder is 1 only, no?
Yeah, yeah. Acha, reminder. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Right.
Remainder is nothing but, see,
Yeah,
ఇప్పుడు
yeah. It should be zero. Now, in this case, zero.
now it's 0
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
2 5 are 10, so there is no
Hmm. Hmm.
remainder.
Reminder. Okay.
Okay. But see, remainder function will vary if I give 13.
Hmm.
So generally, what will be the remainder? It will
One.
be 1. Fine, fine. If I use 3 here, it's okay. It's okay. For example, If I use 15, 15, 16 if I use. Okay. So that means uh, generally 3 5 is 15.
Yeah,
15. So
one is
remainder is 1. Remainder
one.
is 1. Okay. Remainder is 1. Okay. Now, so remainder is nothing but you are getting the remaining value. There is no
Hmm.
difference.
Hmm.
Coming to mod, what is a mod? Mod is also a similar manner.
Hmm.
So why we use mod also I will say 10 comma mod of 10 comma 3. So I will keep both in the same remainder of 10 comma 3. Both are giving the one only.
Hmm.
Now same thing if I give 4. Okay. Now if it's so here also we are getting the same value. Okay. Mod and reminder intention is same only, but
Hmm.
in some cases reminder we will get a negative value. So that's why in order to avoid that cases, we use mod only generally in real time. Okay. So
Yeah, mod is
see
like it
see
converts.
see see
Hmm.
here we got -3.
Hmm.
Generally our intention is what?
Hmm. 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 Got it.
Generally
Three. It should be three.
it is not 3 also, like 7 2's 14,
4.
7 2's 14, 7 3's 21. 21 will
Yeah.
not go. Generally
Hmm.
14 we will go and the remainder will be 4.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
So that's why instead of reminder in database we used to follow mod only. Why? Because sometimes reminder picks the nearest element and give the reminder. So
Got it. Got it.
then so that's why if I use mod here, see,
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
now I will get the correct picture. 4 is the correct
Okay. Got
because
it.
7 3 is 20, 7 3 is 21, or 7 2 is 14, and the remainder
Hmm.
is 4. That is the correct one.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
remainder is picking the nearest one and giving the negative value.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, so that's why we follow mod mainly, then reminder. But both are same only.
Hmm.
Sometimes we are getting negative values with the reminder in database. So that's why instead of picking a reminder, we go with mod because mod always give a positive reminder, not the
Hmm.
negative. Okay, clear now about mod.
Yeah. Yeah.
So in order to catch this example only, that's why I am writing multiple times. But for 10 and 3, it is also working fine. For
Hmm.
16 also it's working fine.
Yeah.
But when I
Cases
go,
where the nearest is like at
mm,
other end.
yes, yes, you understood that one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I got
That is mod and remind. Coming to sign. When you are practicing, you will get it. No need to memorize. Here,
it.
sign function. Sign function will give whether it is a positive value or a negative. Like positive number means, for example, sign of 125. And if I give sign of minus 125 from Jewel, so this is going to give positive value. When it is like plus 1, it is going to give. If it is a negative number, it is giving minus 1. We'll see. Got it? That means it is going to give you the sign based on, if it is a positive number, it will give plus 1. That means
Hmm.
1 means plus 1. If it is negative, it is giving minus 1.
Okay. Just it is
Okay.
showing the sign only.
Yes, it is showing the sign.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
For example, my manager asked me select employee name, salary. Harish, please minimize 1,000. That means $1,000 from the salary. Okay, like new salary I'm giving from EM. What happened? Sometimes salary is 800. At that 800, we got minus 200.
Hmm.
Generally,
Hmm.
salary will not be negative.
Hmm. Hmm.
Whether it will be zero or
Hmm.
below that.
Hmm.
So he identified that mistake and he asked me, Harish, please let me know which salaries are negative
Hmm.
once after subtracting 1,000.
Hmm.
So what you will do, you will write a where class and saying that I know the sign function.
Hmm.
Simply I apply a sign on sal minus 1,000. Okay, we can do in any manner equal to minus 1. So means what? You will get the people whose salary is negative.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Generally, without sign function also we can write. How you can write? Greater than, less than 0.
Yeah.
Sal minus 1,000, less than 0. This also gives the same output. But now we learn a sign function. So
Hmm.
instead of writing this, you can also write like this way also. No?
Hmm. Hmm.
Saying.
Hmm. Got it.
Okay. Just I am just saying how can we use sign function.
Hmm.
So this is one sort of usage. That means you are writing a technical aspect. So I am subtracting it. After subtraction, if it is a negative number, then I am giving
Hmm.
minus 1.
Hmm.
If I give positive number 1, that means I am giving greater than 0 values. Got it?
Got it. Got it.
And simply I learned now sign function, and
Hmm.
simply I
Hmm.
am using. Okay,
Hmm.
you also
Hmm.
try one example like that. Okay,
Okay.
simply see we learn functions, but
Yeah.
some or the other time we are going to use, not all the time.
Not all
Okay.
the time. Got it.
Yes, yes. If it is required, we will go with a simple function. No need of sign. I know less than 0 gives the output. Why to use sign function? We will not
Hmm.
use it.
Hmm. Hmm.
But
Hmm.
I'm
Hmm.
just saying you, here we can apply. If
Got it.
I got a thought, I can apply here. Otherwise, I can
Hmm.
use less than 0,
Hmm.
like
Hmm.
that. Then what is absolute function? Absolute function also see. Absolute function will give the values other than if even it is a negative number, it is going to give you the positive value. Absolute function will give irrespective of sign, it is going to give the value. If it is a positive value, it is giving the value.
Hmm.
If it is a negative value also, it is giving only the positive value. That means
Positive.
irrespective of sign, it is going to give the value.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, same thing.
Okay.
uh, yeah, simply I am applying salary minus 2,000. Harish, after subtracting the salary, I want to know the difference. So difference always, it can be a positive only. Difference I want to keep, instead of negative, I want to keep positive one. Okay, like new salary or decrement salary from your from employee. Okay, so I am getting some negative values.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
Harish, please maintain only the positive difference. Just show the differences when you subtract even negative also, you show the difference in a positive structure, he said. So what you will write instead of negative, you will write absolute of sal minus 1. So that means even it is going negative, it will show you positive.
Positive.
Okay.
Hmm.
So see, you will see that you will say that you will hard code the value uh, like new salary. Okay. So here I write difference. Okay. That means from next month onwards, they want to give you 2000. Okay. Your salary is 800. They want to raise the salary to 2000 for you.
Hmm.
What is the difference he's asking? So simply what you are applying absolute sal minus 2000. The difference you are focusing only in positive. In 800 difference is 1200. Although it is negative, it is you are showing in positive difference. Got it? So what is the difference between these two salaries? 400. Whether it is negative also, it's not matter. But the difference is 4000. If it
Hmm.
is 450, that means plus 450, but the difference is 450 I want. That's all. Got it?
Okay.
Simply
Okay.
I hard coded the new salary, and from
Hmm.
next month onwards, I am going to give you 2000. So
Hmm.
manager asked you, please find the differences. I want to differences in positive. So simply what
Hmm.
you will apply negative value only, but absolute function you use so that will not you are going to show the value only in positive way manner.
Hmm.
Got it?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Understood? No?
Okay.
Understood? Any doubt?
Okay, no, got it.
Yeah.
The
Next come.
functionality I got it. Functionality I got it.
Yes.
Like how to perform the queries and all that will be like a task.
Yes. Yeah. Task. Simply, generally, I am just taking this example. We may not
Hmm.
think like that way, but
Hmm.
one
Hmm.
example I am giving
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
you. Yeah. Coming to seal function. Seal. The name itself says seal means ceiling. Floor means
Floor.
flooring. That means niche value and upper value.
Yeah. Correct.
So seal of, for example. So generally we use seal in order to round decimal value. That means the seal function we are going to round the decimal values. So we don't want decimals. We want a
Hmm.
what we say. We want the a rounded value.
Rounded values. Okay.
Yes. So simply I am writing minus 10.5. Okay. Seal of 10.5. So all type of examples I am writing in one case.
Hmm.
Seal of 10.2. Seal of minus 10.2. Just I am showing you all the four cases.
Hmm.
So here my intention is I need to round 10.5
Hmm.
decimal. But seal always take the highest value. So between 10 and 11, what is the highest value? 11.
Hmm.
Is it? Rounding means you are rounding the decimal part to the upper value. Seal always act to the upper value. It
Just a
doesn't.
minute.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. Good morning. Hmm. Class is going on. Just get ready. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. See, seal always move to the upper value.
Hmm.
So here I rounded the values. But seal, how it is working? See,
Hmm. Hmm.
between
Okay.
minus
So it
10
is
and
like ever point 5, it will like up to 0.49, it will take a lower value. Once it
no,
is
no, no,
point 0.5,
no, 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 no.
then?
Seal always give at any point level, it is going to give upper value. See here,
No,
10
but
point,
like see upper value.
yeah, that only. Negative values, what is the upper value? Between -10 and -12.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
What
Got
is the
it, got it.
bigger value? -10 only, no?
-10 is bigger.
Yes, yes. If
Okay.
you see 10 and 11, 11 is the bigger. Negative value is opposite, no? -10 is bigger than
Got it.
minus.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I thought
See,
it is rounding off. So,
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Rounding means, yeah, rounding again, we have rounding function here.
Huh,
That
huh.
scenario is here.
Different. Yeah, okay,
But
got it.
seal always pushes you to upper value,
Upper value.
irrespective of decimal.
Hmm.
Got it? That's why I
Got it.
have given three ways for
Hmm.
all the scenarios. So
Hmm.
you may think that it is point 0.5, that's why it moved to upper. No, no. Even
Hmm.
it is point 0.2 also, it is moving to upper.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Got it? Clear now,
Got
seal.
it. Yeah.
Quite opposite is
Floor. Got it.
floor.
Yeah, yeah.
Now you can say in the same thing I am writing floor.
Floor.
Now you can say what is the output?
Hmm. It will be like -11, then 10, then 10, and then -11.
Perfect. And that is okay. Okay.
Hmm.
That means in some scenarios, if you want to always keep the value niche, always
Hmm.
keep the open, simply use this function.
Hmm.
Okay. Now coming to trunk. Trunk, what it will do? The name itself is trunking the decimal. That means it will keep. I am keeping the giving the same example without confusion.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
trunk. Trunk is just wipe out the decimal. Wipe out the decimal means what? It will not think about rounding or moving or nothing. It
Hmm.
just removes the decimal. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I will run and see. You can see.
Hmm.
That means what? It's just
Hmm.
removing the decimal,
Okay.
keeping the number as well.
Hmm.
Got
Got it.
it? Now round. Round what? What is the round?
Yeah, it will just like rounding of upper and lower limit, no?
Yes, yes. So round scenario is as you think. If it is zero point 0.5 and greater than zero point 0.5, it
Hmm.
will round to the upper decimal.
Can we define the round off like, say, if I don't want to round off in a this point 0.5 manner,
Hmm.
I want okay up to 0.7. Okay, it should take a lower value. If it is like ever 0.7, it should take upper value. Matlab, can we customize it?
That I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
Now you, yeah, I understood your question, but
Hmm.
like that way we cannot manage. But one more case is there. I will let you know.
Okay.
Yeah. What is this now?
Hmm.
10.5. What will be the output?
It will be 11,
Yeah.
11,
Yeah.
10, 10.
See, in round and trunk, it is not differing about negative or positive.
Yeah, signs.
Yeah. But coming to seal and floor, it is
Hmm.
focusing about the sign as well. Okay.
Hmm.
So that difference you need to catch. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
But when it is below decimal, here it will keep as like a trunk only. How the trunk works, round also work in that manner.
Hmm.
When it
Hmm.
is below zero point 0.5. Okay. Now, now actually we can also round or trunk to the second decimal part as well, or third decimal part as well.
Hmm.
Okay. That means what? See, that case only I want to show you. So I want to trunk. First I will go with trunk. So I want 10 point. You are having the decimal like this way. So
Hmm.
there is one more argument you can pass. So I want to round trunk up to second decimal part.
Okay.
So from QL. So what it will do now? It will simply remove the third decimal part. That's all.
Third decimal.
So what your value will be?
10.53.
Okay, 10.53. Yes, that's all. But same thing. If I go with round, what will be the value? So round again, check with the
Then it will give the 11 as a result.
no. Here also second decimal part,
Okay,
but
okay,
it increases the value of 3 if it is greater than or equal to 5. If it
okay.
is less than 5, it will be just keeping as trunk. But now see, you got it. Rounding means you are rounding to the second decimal part. What is your value? 10.54. Why? Because your third decimal part is greater than 5 or equal to 5.
Okay.
Okay. Same example I will write, keeping the third decimal part 1. What will be the values now?
Let's see him.
In trunk
10.53.
and round, both will be same. You got it? So that is it. Okay. You can write n things you want. Like see, now I have taken here 2 only. So if there is like this way, okay, you want up to fourth decimal part. Okay? And if you want fourth decimal part, yes, you can. So that means that sort of argument you want. That's got it? Clear now?
Got it.
Your scenario, you said no, I want 7, but that scenario it will not do. But you can also round up to second decimal part if you want to keep the decimal part like that way. Means
Okay.
okay, but no. 7 means that is really out of the board because rounding is only depending on the 0.5 or less than 0.5. We cannot increase that 0.5 factor to 7. Okay, that's
No,
all.
actually, like we faced a real this issue real in reality. Okay.
Acha, they ask you to mention
Yeah, it
only.
was like some taxation part was there, and they
Okay.
say ki if it's like anything in decimal,
Ah,
up to like say point 0.7 or point 0.8, okay, you just mention it like your number. Of that, you just make it a upper number.
yeah. So how you can do like that way? See, that requirement I will bring. That also we can bring. But how we can bring? I am saying free. Good question. See how. So now I got an idea on that. So what you will do, for example, 10.7 is there. Okay, and you are saying if it is 10.9, you make it 11. But 10.7, keep it 10.10 only. You are saying or what?
Keep it 10 only. 10.7, 10, 10.9, 11.
Okay. So select from form. Okay. So this is my question they asked me. Make it 11 for this, but till 7, no issues for me. Keep it 10 on. Okay. So generally what I will do is, so minus trunk of 10.7 I will do. This is the same column I am keeping. And here also what I will do, minus 10.9 this. So what you will get the point values for this. Okay, but my intention is if it is 0.7, please make it 0. Okay, okay. Okay. As of now, I'm going in a
No
complex
problem.
manner.
Like, yeah.
Mm, But I am able
And
to
just
achieve
keep it
now.
in mind, like if you get an idea, then just tell me.
I got an idea, but I am going in a complex manner, but
Hmm.
not required this much complexity. We
Hmm.
can also hard code it in a simple manner. Okay, that also I am seeing. But see, what I will do is when this is less than, okay, when this is less than when it is less than or equal to zero point 0.7, okay, less than or equal to zero point 0.7, simply apply trunk. So what? I'm writing. You will not don't know case function till now, but I
Hmm.
know the case function. That's why I'm writing trunk. Else, so this remove this. Yeah, this is all on it. Hard code data I'm doing. So
Hmm.
on table I will also show you by creating. Else, what I want. Else, simply round the value 10.7. Yeah, so if I do this, our value will be okay. And don't go how I am writing case function. I
Hmm.
will
Hmm.
let you
Hmm.
know. See, now I am getting the value
Hmm.
10 only, which is 10.7. If I replace all with 9, yeah, my changes. Now I will get, see what happened. I will get 11 now. See, that means here I am hard coding now. That's why I need to write in all places. I need to write the value. So now I got the 11. I achieved your result set. See, now I will create a table to make you understand. Create table.
Hmm.
Simply I am creating one table, T234 table, as select 10.7 from Jewel. Okay. Okay, column alias required. So here I will write this like numbers or something. Numbers. Okay, simply n I will keep. Oh, right. Okay. So what happened now? I see a table with single column is created. So now I'm go on inserting data. Don't concentrate on create and table because I am just taking your task as a challenge. I'm doing it. Okay. Insert into values. Values. So now I am going to give 10.9. Okay. 10.9 n from Jewel. Oh, not direct values. No, sorry. Yeah, 10.9. Okay, and next, what value we will give? 10.2 also will give. Yeah, okay. So this is my requirement. So you just say me what is the your output. So T234 is the your table. Okay, your table is having this. So
Hmm.
what is the output you want for this? For 10.7 and 10.2, you need to get 10.
Correct.
But 10.9, you need to get 11.
Hmm.
Is it?
Hmm. Hmm.
So now the same logic I apply in this table, this logic. So how I apply C? First I practiced that code. I achieved my result set.
Hmm.
Now I will keep select. Simply, what is my column name? N.
And
Okay?
yeah.
So when n minus, just applying on my column. Okay. And here also n only. And here also n. Okay. So simply I am keeping in one single line. So what is our column, actual column n? Okay. What is our new column? I'm simply giving n underscore n. N underscore new from June. Okay. So now you achieved your output. See. Okay. Our table is T.
T
234 I wrote now.
234.
Because I go on creating table, that's why I given that number. Yeah. See, now you achieved now.
Yeah.
But here I use a complex logic, case function. But I achieved my result set. You said above 0.7, only you want rounding. If it is 10.5 also, you'll get 10 only.
Yeah.
You add one. Because see, you insert one more record. Whether for the new record also, you will get same. So like this way, we need to think, how can I do? So as of now, it will be complex, but I achieved the result set what you want. I am also saying for you, you need to think like that. See now, new record inserted, that also is captured by our logic.
Yeah.
This logic, if you keep in your place, you can make your result set.
Got it.
Yeah. Yeah. Like this way, we will build a query. If any requirement comes, anyway, we need to bring the result set with the knowledge what we have. Okay? Don't think that we have to do in this manner only, in this manner. At first, we need to get the output what you want. Later, we can think about logic. Can I minimize this logic in any simpler manner? We need to think about. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But again, I will think and make it minimize this query. Rather using case, can I use any other thing? That I will show you again. Okay. Okay. In between, we will go like this way only. Don't worry. But we have completed number functions today. Okay. But at the end, you asked me a good question. So like this way only you have to think. Then only you will learn. You take one requirement in mind. Can I get that requirement with the knowledge what we have,
What I have learned.
what I learned till today? Tomorrow you may learn case function, then only you can use it. But with the present knowledge, can I get that result set or not? That's yeah. Now I will go with character functions. What are the characters? First I will list out in the same manner. Length function, upper, lower, init cap.
Can we like stop it by 7:30?
Yes, exactly 730 will stop. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Just I will list out the values. If
Yeah.
possible, one function I will explain here.
Okay.
Init cap, trim. In trim only we see left trim, right trim. Each one with example we'll see. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah.
Padding, L pad, R pad. I already shown you L pad and R pad. Yes. But now you learn it. Okay. You learn it. Next, substring, instring. They are very important functions, substring and instring. Okay. But very easy if you understand. Concat function. Okay. So concat function. Concat function. And next, replace, and translate. Okay. So these are the
Character functions.
character functions which we see. So now just we see the length function. The name itself says it will it will find the length of any
Length of
given
the
string.
given string.
Le-
It can
uh,
be a numerical or like alphanumerical, anything.
that we will see. So I want the length of Vamsi. Okay, Krishna from Jewel. So what happens? It is going to find out 30. So it is going 5 here, and here Krishna means 5 plus 7, 6. Sorry, 7 only, 12.
7,
But it is also
space.
calculating space also. For
Hmm.
that purpose, I mentioned this. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
that means length will completely calculate your string, whether it is a space in between or out also. If you add space external, that also will calculate. Now 14 it is. You see?
Yeah, got it.
Now go with our table. So I
Hmm.
want to find the length of e name
Hmm.
from employee table. Yeah. So that means you are going to find out each and every column length. So that's why I wrote single row function. That means for every value you are going to get an output.
Output.
Okay. So length function will give you length of a string. Okay. Just, sometimes you get hang. Oh, no problem. Okay. Length will give you. You asked me like if I want to find the length of a numeric.
Hmm.
Okay. Will it work? We'll see. The name itself says it is a character function.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So numerics will work. First of all, we need to think. Okay. So Prashant's document this one. That also we'll see here. In the jewel only we'll see. Select the length of okay. Yeah. Select length of 10234 from jewel. So length means what it will get? It will calculate how many characters you have.
Hmm. Hmm.
Will it work?
Hmm. Working.
Working.
Hmm.
But generally it is a character function only. Okay.
Hmm.
We will go with the table. In table we have salary column. No? The
Yeah.
salary will work. We'll see whether this will work out. Working.
Working.
But generally length function it's working, but
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
yeah, it's working means then if you have any requirement numeric cases
Hmm.
you can also use.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But we can also then list out this as a number function also.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. With your question, I just run and see on numeric. It is working,
Hmm. Hmm.
but generally uh, length function has to work on character only, on a common sense factor.
Yeah. No, in
So
Excel, actually, in Excel, it works on both. So I just thought ki.
okay, okay. So that is definitely good enough.
Hmm.
Sometimes in some cases we need to find out how many digits are there in a
Hmm. Hmm.
salary or something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Especially in like PAN card or
Yeah,
GSTIN
yeah,
kind of
perfect.
thing.
But PAN form is alphanumeric.
Yeah,
Alphanumeric is
alphanumeric.
always
It works on this Excel. It works.
yeah, yeah. Then it's
So
fine.
like I have
Then
to just check in this.
yeah, yeah. Got it then. Then we
Hmm.
are able to do on numerics also. It's working.
Hmm.
But we need to find out in real time where we use it.
Hmm. Hmm.
Character is something where we can use it,
Hmm.
but numeric part where we will use, we have to find out. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, then we will stop till here.
Yeah.
Continue with